CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer plus Rotisserie, Dehydrator. Convection Oven. 17 touchscreen presets: fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, XL10L family size, auto shutoff, large easy view window, flap. Air frying made easy, 4 versatile cooking functions and 17 preset options. Healthy meals in minutes. Cook crispy food from fresh or frozen with little to no oil. Multifunctional cooker. Air fry, bake, rotisserie, dehydrate, and more. Crispy without the calories. Air fry fast and with little to no oil for guilt-free deep-fried flavor. Capacitive touch display. 1 touch presets makes operation easy. Check your progress. Watch your food as it cooks with help from an interior light and convenient viewing window. Cook the whole bird. The spacious 10-liter family-sized capacity is perfect for making healthy weeknight dinners and desserts. A fully loaded fryer. All the air frying accessories you'll ever need. Keep cleanup simple. Hassle-free dishwasher-safe accessories. Countertop cooking companion. Fits any kitchen and stores away easily when not in use. Product description: 10-liter capacity, rapid air cooking technology, smart touch control screen, 17 preset functions, 3 air flow racks, rotisserie spit and forks, rotisserie retrieval tool, interior light, large viewing window, dishwasher safe parts.